If you're planning a wireless network, whether for your home, office, or a commercial project with the UniFi gear, then this free tool is powerful and it can save you time and it ensures the perfect coverage for your space. So if you have ever wondered how to plan Wi-Fi access point placement and avoid dead zones, which is a major issue, and also to get a professional grade network without any guesswork, then this video is for you. So first we can simulate our network rack here. So you can see a 12U rack is the standard given here. The UDM Pro Max is already part of this rack, including power backup and power distribution pro, which is amazing because until this point I didn't even know that UniFi has their power distribution pro, and it's great. And I can add a device here. So within this 12U, 1 2 4 U have already been consumed, and we have about 8U left to add any other devices. So let me add a switch to which we can connect our Wi-Fi access points. So let me add a standard 24 port switch here, added, and then let me add few Wi-Fi access points as well. Let me add 2 of each just as an example. And then when I come back to my rack, as you can see that it added the switch and it shows me the PoE power used for the 6 Wi-Fi access points that I added, which is 213.6. So this information is useful when you're buying the network switches, to make sure that the switch has plenty of PoE capacity to support the Wi-Fi access points that you require for your space. So after this, let's create a new project for our space. Let me name this project a testing project. And then you can choose if it's for your office, home, stadium, hotel, or school. Click create. And the beautiful part is that you get to upload the floor plan of your space. If you don't have a floor plan, that you can also upload the architectural drawings or the electrical drawings, whatever you want to use as an example. So let me use this as a demo, and you can scale it, set scale, and I know for a fact that this wall is almost 14 feet. So let me enter 14 here, click save, and let's simulate our Wi-Fi now. So at the bottom you can add devices and click on place devices, and let's add Wi-Fi. For example, for my space I already have a UC Pro Wi-Fi antenna mounted there, so let me just choose the same AC Pro. AC Pro is not very updated Wi-Fi access points that UniFi has, but we are just using this as an example. Let me place it here in the conference room, and as soon as I add this AC Pro Wi-Fi access points, it'll show me the heat map right away. So this heat map tells you that the bright green color is the stronger signal, and as you move far from here, you see the light green and yellow, which is the weaker signal. So this gives you a good idea when you're making sure that all the end devices gets connected to the Wi-Fi signal and has a good coverage. So make sure to use this tool before you buy any UniFi equipment, and it'll save you money and time. So UniFi also has their UniFi GPT, where you can ask questions. For example, if I want to ask what's the coverage for U6 Pro Wi-Fi access point, it takes few seconds, and it tells you here that it provides coverage for up to 140 meters square, which is amazing. And on the left here you can choose if you have the information about what kind of walls you have at your space. If it's concrete or drywall, you can enter that information and it'll take in consideration of any signal attenuation that you're going to experience at your space. And from the side here, you can also click on this testing project. You can manage projects and you can edit the projects here. You can see this project that we created today, and you can open project or remove project from here. If you like this video, follow for more. Thanks.